This is my YouTube channels. I can open my channel here. I'm looking for how to increase my channel traffic. See here, any channel traffic is complete based on your thumbnails. So here, if a video, if adding for thumbnail is very important. Adding for thumbnail is very important. Without thumbnail, we can't promote your videos. That is called first create by your channel account. After that, if you promote your videos, here the channel will be given option is called promote. That is called, just click for video manager. In the go to video manager, the option call is select by the which video we're getting for thumbnails. So I got thumbnail will be here. Anyone, just select here. In this video, edit option will be there. In beside one option will be called arrow will be there. Here the option call is promote. Here option call is promote. Just click the promote option. Is going to promote your video. Promote your video. Purpose of increase your views along with the likes and dislikes. Promote your video. Now here. This is complete for paid advertisement. This is complete for paid advertisements. This is called Google AdWords. It's complete for paid ads paid by your YouTube. That is called Google AdWords. Now, first of all, campaign create. Campaign budget, daily budget. Two type of budget will be there. Campaign budget. Suppose my campaign budget will be 3,000. When finished 3,000, the campaign will running for continuously. Daily budget. Suppose I'm adding for daily budget will be only for 500 as Indian rupees. If you're changing for currency also, I'm going to the dollars. Will be 50. 50 into dollar cost will be 68 rupees. The change will be 3,000 plus. Now here, but I'm adding with the only for Indian currency. That is called 500. The default budget is 500. So previous and new rule, what is the change? Previous, when adding the daily budget, they give for estimation view per day will be given by the one numeric will be there. But new update, they remove this option on the Google AdWords. Integrate with your YouTube. So no estimation view per day, they can't give the option. If you're asking any interviews, when you create a campaign time, when you're adding the budget of 500 rupees, they give the estimation views. We can't give the YouTube channels. This is a very important notice. Please write down. Now here, the video you can promote for specific one. That is called everyone. Everyone nothing but recommended. Recommend nothing but we already discussed. VPH, view per hour. Per hour we're getting for 1,000 views. We're getting for 10,000 views within a 10 hours time. The video going to for recommended mode. That is called your this option. Everyone. Select for everyone option. Suppose if you go specific option, that is called two options. Location wise, category wise. Now click. Location wise, second will be category, nothing but your interest. Now just click here. My interest will be here. Technology. My option is called India. My target is only for India. Only for category will be technology interested people. Digital marketing training is a technology. Who are interested in digital marketing, they can show my video ads. So you can select for the relevant peoples. If you select for everyone, they can show for everyone as a recommended. Is it clear? If you go any kind of channels, we can play for any one video. Just here. In this one, what is showing here? Recommended for you. That is called, we can show on the video pattern. If any video create the campaign, the video will show for recommended for you. See, not all video you can show for recommended view here. See this one. Only for few videos recommended for you. That is called when you are reaching for 10,000 views within a 10 hours time. That maybe will be free or paid marketing. The video going to recommended. That is called this option. Everyone. That is called recommended. But I'm searching for exact people, relevant people. Why? I can promote my video views, not for recommended purpose. I can target my business. So that is called. Now here, location and interest. Click for next step. So here, I'm already discuss your thumbnail, your video ad. Video ad will discuss about the two things. One is called in-stream. Second will be display. In-stream nothing but we can display will be like this. Suppose your video less than 6 seconds. They can show for non-skippable ads. If you more than 6 seconds, skippable ads. That is called in-stream. Second will be display. Your right side you can show on your ads. Now here, first you can writing here. What is my video selecting this? Copy here. Now just here. I'm writing for headline, description 1, description 2. Please write down the characters. Headline will be 100 characters. Description line 1, 25 characters. Description line 2, 25 characters. Suppose if we're changing for option, description line 1, 30 characters. Description line 2, 30 characters. They increase only for 5 characters, not for more characters. If you're changing for new updates, headline, description 1, description 2 for user understanding purpose. Now here, see this one. This is headline, description 1, description 2. See this, how to promote your website, Pinterest 2018 by Digital Rakesh. Now click for next. Simple option will be going to where? Sign into AdWords. Just click. I'm going to sign in for your AdWords account. In AdWords account, they can show your ad copy, your budget, potential reach will be unknown. Why? Because the option will be disabled for your channel for along with your AdWords. Now here, add your location and target group will be interested in technology. Nothing but only for digital marketing related technology peoples. Now here, ad will showing for one is called skip ad. Second will be called display. Instead nothing but skip ad. Why? The video will be more than 6 seconds. Less than 6 seconds. Non-skippable ad. More than 6 seconds. Skippable ad. Second will be display ad. Now click here. Create and launch campaign. So this is called we increase your YouTube traffic you can promote using for Google AdWords. Once campaign was created, they show the campaign structure here. One is called in-stream video ad. Second will be called display ad. This campaign created here. Just wait for a second. In-stream and in display. Cost, clicks, CTR. CTR nothing but clicks by impression into 100. Please note down. CTR nothing but CTR is equal clicks by impression into 100. So this is called paid a campaign for your video views purpose. That is called how to promote your video views using with your Google AdWords. YouTube to campaign launch for Google AdWords.